Wow, we're just about ready to finally play our drum kit. One final thing to do though. Take this time to choose your lead hand. What's your lead hand? Well, it's as simple as if you're a right-handed person, your right hand will be your lead hand. And if you're a left-handed person, you can opt to lead with your left hand. What will the difference be? Well, you've seen many drummers play leading with their right hand. I'm one of them. When you lead with your right hand will go over your left hand like this, and your right hand will be playing the hi-hat with your left hand playing the snare. Like this. If you choose to lead with your left hand, you're going to be playing in a style that's called open-handed playing, with your left hand on the hi-hat like this, and your right hand on the snare like this. Alternatively, you could also set up your kit in reverse or mirrored with the hi-hat over here and the snare over here. But this isn't absolutely necessary. If you choose to lead with the left hand, your beats are going to be played leading with the left, and your fills can either be played leading with the right or leading with the left. And your facility around the drum kit will need a second thought, as most methods are made with the right-handed drummer in mind. This isn't a big deal. You'll just need to get used to either playing open-handed beats and right-hand lead fills, or playing open-handed beats and left-hand lead fills, which, as I will demonstrate shortly, comes with a little challenge. In my two examples, I played left-hand lead with right-hand lead on the fills, and there was no problem there. On the second example though, when we played left-hand lead with the beats and left-hand lead with the fills, I had to move my left hand underneath my right hand to facilitate going around the drum kit. There are a lot of drummers who play open-handed. Do some research, check it out. Whichever way you choose, stick to it, learn it well, and use it loud and proud. Alright, let's get to your first beat. I'll be demonstrating how to do this using my right hand to lead. We're going to be using what we call the number system. We're going to be using counts 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how we'll do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On each of these counts, we're going to play the hi-hat using our right hand. Here's how it sounds. Next, we'll be adding the kick drum on count 1. Let's add another kick drum on count 3. This is how it sounds like. Now, let's work on the snare a little. Let's take away the bass drum and let's add the snare hits on counts 2 and 4. Here's how to play it. Do you feel that? We're getting somewhere. Now, let's put these two together and let's see what we get with the bass drum on 1 and 3 and the snare drum on 2 and 4 with the hi-hats on all the counts. Here we go. Yeah, that's the first beat. Now, let's bring it up a notch and let's increase the tempo to see what it sounds like. That sounds pretty cool. Let's try it at a slightly higher tempo. And there you have it. That's your first beat. Congratulations. Your task for this lesson is to practice this beat at the 3 tempos that we played at earlier. Good luck.